In this video lecture, we will be discussing national income, GDP, GNP, NNP, factor cost, base price, market price. These are some technical terms where students get confused. Let's start this class. This will be a short video class. I will take these terms quickly. Let's start. So for calculating national income, there are three methods to calculate national income. It's calculated by three methods. First one is expenditure method, second one is income method, and third one is production method. These all have a formula. Expenditure method formula is CIG plus X minus M, and this formula can be remembered by the trick Wipro. And production method is equivalent to gross value added. So yeah, production method does not have any formula. We can write no formula. Understand this. C stands for total consumption. I stands for investment that we have made. G stands for government expenditure. X is export, and M is import. Here W stands for wages, I for interest, P for profit, and R for rent. Okay, so these are some formulas which we need to remember for calculating national income. Now let's understand GDP. Another one is GNP, which is gross national product. Next one, net national product. And net domestic product. See, GDP definition we all know. This N stands for national, and this one stands for net. For calculating net, we have to minus depreciation. Remember this. And for calculating national income, we have to add net foreign income from abroad. Okay, and these formulas will help us in understanding this topic. For understanding it deeply, we'll have to understand three more technical terms, which are factor cost, base price, and market price. Factor cost is the total cost which we paid for making a product, like it is total cost, original cost of the product. The base price is factor cost plus production tax. When we pay tax on production and minus subsidy. If we minus subsidy and add production tax in factor cost, we get base price. And for getting market price, we will have to add product tax and minus subsidy. This is a confusing situation where students get confused. The difference between production tax and product tax. Production tax is actually imposed on the firm. It is imposed on the firm, and this is one-time tax, like stamp duty or land revenue. Example, stamp duty, and land revenue. Product tax, on the other hand, product tax is imposed on each product in the market. It is like GST. And if we do not want to get confused between factor cost and base price, for understanding simple economics, we can consider factor cost is nearly equal to base price, and we will take factor cost equivalent to base price. Okay, now let's start. GDP at market price will be GDP at factor cost plus obviously product tax minus subsidy. This product tax is actually indirect tax, and when we take this whole term as a single, it is called net indirect tax. So this equation can be written as GDP at market price will be GDP at factor cost minus net indirect tax. From this equation we can also get GDP at factor cost is equal to GDP at market price plus this will be plus, and here this will be minus. Minus net indirect tax. How do we get national income? From GDP at market price. First, we'll have to understand what is national income. National income, according to CSO, national income is NNP at factor cost. So we have to change GDP at market price to NNP at factor cost. Let's do it. GDP at market price will be GDP at factor cost plus tax minus subsidy. We have to change GDP to NDP. We know that GDP is equal to NDP plus depreciation. So we have to put it here, and NDP is equal to NNP minus and net foreign income from abroad plus depreciation. Let's put it here. NNP at factor cost minus NFIA plus depreciation plus tax minus subsidy so when we exchange terms in this equation, we get NNP at factor cost is equal to GDP at market price plus NFIA minus depreciation minus tax plus subsidy. This is our national income. This is called national income formula. Hope you understood the equation.